We're working right now. We don't have customer, that's why we're working. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi, how are you guys?
We're happy now.
Happy lang.
Walang hindi. Wala kasi kaming magawa, kaya mag-vlog-vlog na lang kami. Kailangan ba talaga nating maging maganda sa camera palagi?
Oh, natural.
Oh guys, my friend Regine, she need boyfriend daw.
Uy!
ASAP. You wanna see how we work, guys? Here, that's our area. Sige na, be, magsalita ka. Kahit ano.
Mga single dyan. Kaway-kaway. Pamay.
Makikita sa ano,
Pamay.
sa camera.
Kaya mo sila.
Susumbong yung control mo.
Why are you taking video there? Guys!